Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh to Surface for Solidworks. I created just an arbitrary freeform, as you can see on the screen, and let's go and edit it. I'll just select it here and select the edit feature. What I want to show you today is what we have here in our latest version is the Thicken command. The Thicken command will actually create a solid from the surfaces that you have created, and it works on the whole surface that is available and it's edited. And the way it works, you just press this button. Automatically by default it's a 1 millimeter, and you can see preview on the screen about thickness. There is an option here how you want to thicken this shape, and you can play with it. Once you check this option, it automatically will actually flip the direction. You can change this value to 0.5 millimeters, for example, and then you click preview. When you're done, you can just press OK. As the other operations, this function also has a undo, so you can undo what you have done. Again, we can just create this example here, as you can see, for example, with 2 millimeters, press preview and press OK. Now you can see that it actually doesn't work as the normal thickening command in Solidworks, but it might be helpful in many cases. This is just another shape, and it has control net, and you can actually manipulate as you have manipulated before. You can pick a point and play with this. I will cancel this now, and I will show you another example when it makes sense. Let's take a look at this shape here, which I created quite twisted area here that can show obviously the issues that we have with the thickening. We'll use the traditional thickening command, which is available in Solidworks in the Surfaces menu, and then we can select Thicken. Let's place a value of 1 millimeter here and press enter. Now you can see that the thicken command actually creates overlapping areas here, and if I press OK, Solidworks will actually refuse to thicken and will not be able to create this for us. Let's see how we can do this with our command in our quad surfacing. I'll right click and edit this feature. Now I will select the same thing, thicken, and we'll put the value of 1 millimeter. I will press preview. As you can see now, I have control because I have my points here. I'll be able to actually adjust my shape by manipulating my new points on the screen. You can use the manipulator, you can drag the surfaces so you can open here and you don't get any overlaps. I can move the surface here. Again, this operation does not guarantee the equal thickness everywhere, but it's helpful in many cases. To finish off this, I will probably may want to align this. I will select all these here. We'll choose my align option and we'll pick this point to align everything here. We'll select these and we'll align this probably vertically to this point to get a better shape. I can rotate my object in a standard view, and for example I may want to align this here. We'll select everything, select align horizontally and pick this point. Now I have my shape, which is acceptable solid, and again I want to say that this thickening is not actually guaranteeing the thickness everywhere, but it's useful in many cases. Let's explore this solid. I'll just drag this a little bit and you can see the results here. Still, this is quite a powerful feature and you can use it in some projects where the thickening of SolidWorks fail. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.